Rock and Roll Panto is all the best bits of panto with all the boring bits left out and some fantastic songs woven into the plot. The story that everybody is probably familiar with. So a young girl in a very rich family that fall on hard times, and the father goes to the castle of this beast who and plucks a rose to take back to her as to beauty for her present. And the beast takes exception to this and says, you send your daughter in your place. Let's go to I genuinely think that it appeals to everybody. So there's something in there for kids as young as 3 or 4 who love all the knockabout slapstick stuff. There's teenagers who love the music, adults who know those songs from their younger days, and I think grandparents get a great time out of it too because it's got a very strong story. So there's something for everybody. Let's go crazy.